Hey there, struggling with payment issues on Cash App? This week, let's dive into how to fix can't send payment on Cash App. If you've encountered problems sending money, you're not alone. Cash App is a convenient way to transfer money quickly, but occasionally users experience hurdles. Whether it's a transaction that won't go through or a mysterious error code, we've got solutions to help you send payments smoothly. Step 1. Check your balance. First and foremost, ensure you have sufficient funds in your Cash App account or linked bank account to cover the payment. Open the app and check your available balance at the top of the screen. If funds are insufficient, consider transferring money into Cash App or using an alternative linked payment method. It might seem simple, but double checking your balance can resolve the issue instantly. Step 2. Verify your information. Double check that all the recipient's details are entered correctly. Errors such as a misspelled username or incorrect cash tag can cause payment issues. Confirm the recipient's details by asking them to send you their Cash App information or by scanning their QR code directly from your app. Additionally, verify that your account information, including linked bank accounts or cards, is up to date and valid. Step 3. Update the app. If your app is outdated, it can cause transactions to fail. Ensure that you're using the latest version of Cash App to access all the latest features and security updates. Head to your device's app store, search for Cash App, and check for updates. Keeping your app current can resolve many common issues. Step 4. Clear the app cache. Sometimes the app may act up due to accumulated cache data. On Android devices, go to Settings, navigate to Apps, find Cash App, and choose to clear the cache. On Apple devices, uninstall and reinstall Cash App to clear the cache. This step often resolves minor glitches and improves app performance. Step 5. Check your internet connection. A poor or unstable internet connection can hinder your ability to send payments. Ensure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi or cellular network before attempting a transaction. You might also try toggling airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. Step 6. Contact Cash App support. If you're still unable to send payments after trying the above steps, it might be time to reach out to Cash App support. Open the app, navigate to the profile icon, select support, and then something else. Describe your issue in detail to receive customized help. Cash App support can provide insights and solutions tailored to your specific problem. Navigating transaction issues on Cash App can be frustrating, but with these strategies, you can troubleshoot and resolve problems effortlessly. From verifying your balances and details to ensuring your app is up to date, each step is crucial in fixing payment-related concerns. Remember, patience is key, and help is always within reach if needed. Implement these methods next time you experience trouble with Cash App and get back to sending payments seamlessly. Till next time, happy transferring.